tambo plants live for 1,000 years. Now, how do they survive for so long? Well, the green leaves of the tambo plant photosynthesize, thus manufacturing food which nourishes the plant and helps it to sustain for so many years. In the light reaction, we've seen that NADP, ADP along with water gets converted to form oxygen, NADPH and ATP. Now, this NADPH and ATP combines with carbon dioxide to form food, that is C6H12O6 or glucose, NADP, ADP and finally water. Since this reaction can take place in the dark, it is known as the dark reaction. Now, in light reaction, oxidation of water takes place to form one molecule of oxygen. And in the dark reaction, NADPH reduces carbon dioxide from the atmosphere to sugar, which is C6H12O6. So the reactant of photosynthesis, that is carbon dioxide, gets reduced by NADPH, and the end product, that is oxygen, is formed from the oxidation of water. So in total, photosynthesis is an oxidation-reduction reaction. By combining light reaction and dark reaction together, this is the final equation of photosynthesis. 6 molecules of carbon dioxide combines with 12 molecules of water in the presence of light and chlorophyll forms 1 molecule of glucose, 6 molecules of oxygen and 6 molecules of water. So, during photosynthesis, green plants take in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, thus reducing the environmental carbon dioxide, and the end product of photosynthesis is oxygen, so there is an increase in the environmental oxygen. Now, can you tell me the time difference between the light reaction and the dark reaction of photosynthesis? Well, it is even less than 0.001 seconds. It occurs almost simultaneously during the daytime. So, during the daytime, photosynthesis takes place and thus food is manufactured, which nourishes the plant. But what happens during the night time? Photosynthesis does not take place. Then how does the plant survive? Let us see. During the daytime, in the presence of sunlight, glucose is formed in the chloroplasts, which form a chain-like structure by polymerization known as starch. Now, after nightfall, this starch again breaks down to form molecules of glucose, and these glucose molecules now get transported to the different parts of the plant via the phloem. So, photosynthesis reduces the environmental carbon dioxide, it increases the environmental oxygen, it helps in food production, and also it helps in food storage for future in the form of starch. During the daytime, glucose that has been left after the utilization by the plants get converted to starch, which gets stored in the leaves. Now, after the nightfall, this starch again breaks down into glucose and gets transported to the different parts of the plant via the phloem.